Hello, my name is Annette Billingsley. I teach AP Research here at McLean and also English, and I have taught AP Seminar in the past. And I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the AP Capstone program here at McLean. So AP Capstone consists of two different courses, AP Seminar and AP Research. AP Seminar is the first course. It is a prerequisite for AP Research. It is a year-long course. It is open to sophomores, juniors, and seniors. So your student could still take this even if he or she were a senior and enjoy all the benefits that come with taking this class. There are group and individual presentations that they practice and then present. There are several research-based papers that are uploaded to their College Board digital portfolio and are scored by College Board readers. And then there's an end-of-course exam which is timed. It is very similar to the AP History exams, AP US History, AP World, and also like the AP Lang exam. And their AP score for AP Seminar consists of how well they perform on the end of course exam, their research papers that are in their College Board portfolio, and then also their presentations. There is the opportunity to earn college credit. Some colleges and universities do take AP Seminar scores if they're 3 or higher. And the grade weighting is the same as other AP courses. AP Research is the second course offered in the Capstone program. This is only open to those who take AP Seminar first. It is also a year-long course. However, where it begins to vary or differ from the AP Seminar course is that it culminates in an individual research paper, one presentation. It really has to do with big R research. So these students are finding gaps in very specific topics of their interest, and then they are filling those gaps with various types of research methods. So sometimes they create their own surveys, or they complete meta-analysis, data analysis, trend analysis. There's an awful lot of working and reworking their topic and research involved in that. Again, there is the possibility of college credit. Their presentation, by the way, is 25% of their score, and their research paper is 75%. The grade weighting is the same as other AP courses. Once students complete both AP Seminar and AP Research and score at least a 3 or higher on both, they are eligible for the AP Seminar and Research certificate. If they do that, but also score a 3 or higher on 4 other AP exams, in addition to those 2, they have the opportunity to earn an AP Capstone diploma. So this is nice. There is a place on the college, on the Common app and the Coalition app where they can check that there's a box that says, are you a AP Capstone diploma? Are you eligible? Are you waiting for that? Candidate, I believe is what it says. So anyway, that's pretty much a synopsis of the courses and the opportunities that are afforded students who pass both courses.